Is your Windows operating system reporting the Local Security Authority remote procedure called DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. Before we start the Local Security Authority remote procedure call configuration, consider using the diagnostic resource below to maintain a clean system state. This is the Local Security Authority remote procedure call, the Local Security Authority remote procedure call library. It manages the communication between the System Security subsystem and localized authentication providers. Corruption results in Local Security Authority cannot be reached errors at the login screen, preventing users from signing in via PIN or password. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. This error typically involves a protected Windows system file. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and run sfc/scan now to verify system integrity and restore damaged files like Local Security Authority remote procedure called DLL. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Local Security Authority remote procedure call, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. For a clean and stable recovery, it's important to stay within verified developer ecosystems. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install Local Security Authority remote procedure called DLL, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. The link below references a primary diagnostic resource for reviewing Local Security Authority remote procedure call and system configuration. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got Local Security Authority remote procedure call working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.